how to fix action blocked on Instagram 2022. If you get a problem like this one, the main point and the main reason why you are here, it is to know how to get off or how to fix that problem. But I need to tell you and I need to mention that there is just one main thing what you need to do to take off for that problem, or simply there is one way to get through this. First, you need to get up right here into your profile selection, then tap on the three dots on your right upper side, go for settings on the first selection, scroll down, go for help, and then go for report a problem, the first selection, and go for report a problem, the third option again. When you get right there, it will be prepared a bug on your site. Then here you need to explain what happened or what's not working. In this case, it has a problem with your action blocked on Instagram. You need to tell that problem. Also, you can take a screenshot if you have, or if you don't, you can take it from your gallery. If you have a video or a photo, it doesn't matter. Just needs to prove more evidence to get easier and also fastest way to fix that problem.